Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Today, we will dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you determine which one is the best addition to your kitchen. Whether you're looking for the chewable nugget ice or a compact solution for your ice needs, we've got you covered. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for drinks and is often preferred in restaurants. In contrast, the Igloo Countertop Ice Maker creates traditional cylinder-shaped ice cubes, which are great for cooling beverages, but lack the chewable texture that many ice lovers enjoy. This distinction is crucial for those who prioritize the type of ice they prefer. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is positioned at a premium price point of $189, reflecting its advanced features and high ice production capacity. On the other hand, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is much more budget-friendly at $89.99, making it an attractive option for those looking for a more economical solution without sacrificing essential features. In terms of production capacity, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker excels with a daily output of 35 pounds, making it ideal for larger gatherings or families. In contrast, the Igloo model produces 26 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for smaller households or occasional use. This difference in capacity can significantly influence your choice depending on your ice consumption needs. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker have their unique strengths. If you prioritize ice quality and production capacity, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly option, the Igloo is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.